20 weight loss friendly breakfast idea. One. Oatmeal with fresh fruit. 2. Buckwheat pancakes. 3. Yogurt with fresh fruit. 4. Acai breakfast bowl. 5. Cream of wheat. 6. Whole grain toast. 7. Chia seed breakfast bowl for a rat. 8. Fresh fruit smoothie. 9. Maple pecan quinoa porridge. 10. Bowl of mixed fresh fruit. 11. Overnight oats with fruit. 12. Whole grain cereal. 13. Steel cut oats. 14. DIY granola bar. 15. Whole grain waffles. 16. Coconut quinoa with nuts. 17. Sprouted tortilla with nut butter. 18. DIY muesli with non-dairy milk. 19. Mixed nuts and dried fruit. 20. Apple cinnamon buckwheat groats. Stay with good health.